I think this is a really challenging year for the market as a whole. What we're seeing post-COVID is a real challenge for people to work out how do we find that balance between hybrid working and actually giving people a little bit more flexibility, but also some controls, some checks and measures. So when we're speaking to a lot of the large enterprises out there today, they're still a little bit undecided on their strategy for hybrid working. But what is at the heart of this is we're really seeing companies put the customer experience at the middle of what they do. And this is what makes Pro AV super interesting is it's always got to sound better, it's always got to look better, and it's always got to be easier. That's our eternal quest within this industry. And I think that's what our job is, and the rest of these wonderful people here today to do that. When we're talking to organizations, they're still really struggling to really find what works for their employees, but also what works for their customers. And this is a key element of hybrid working. How do they maximize their organization's efficiency, their skill set, not only to keep the employees motivated and happy in their workplace, but also serving their customers. So I think what we're going to see is a little bit more rigidity coming into the business. So we're going to see enterprises being a little bit more structured in their hybrid working. But again, our job is when you see, I would say probably half of every meeting is remote or hybrid. That means that we've got to be super efficient when we start a meeting, during the meeting, and at the end of a meeting. So what we're doing here is we're really focusing down on both sound and vision. So we look at the complete end-to-end solution in any working hybrid environment. So what we'll see is we're looking at the design phase. How do we allow people to organize and design their solutions better? That means we're working with consultants an awful lot and with SIs, super important to our business. So we're looking at the design phase and organizations being able to really deliver that high-end service. But then all the way through to the serviceability at the end. So we've recently launched a product called Panta Rhei. Panta Rhei is around about a platform, and that platform is about delivering very high levels of availability, serviceability, and uptime. And what we're bringing to the market is one platform that will manage an entire estate. So what our customers are saying is the cost to the business of a meeting room not working not only kills the employee satisfaction, it throws out our hybrid working strategy out of the window, and people just want to work from home in front of their Teams environment or their Zoom environment. Well, one of the main reasons why I joined 11 months ago, and this is my 33 years in the industry, is Kramer are rebuilding something. They're going through this huge evolution. Last year was about building out the leadership team. We're based out of Amstelveen in Amsterdam, and we're now focused on really delivering value through to not only our SIs and partners, but also our end user customers. So we're structuring our business now to ensure that we deliver what our SIs want, whilst ensuring 100% solution for our customers.